Yaupon Holly, Ilex vomitoria, is a versatile and attractive evergreen shrub native to the southeastern United States. It's a popular choice for landscaping due to its adaptability, low maintenance requirements, and ornamental features. Here's how to grow and care for Yaupon Holly. 1. Planting. Choose a location with well-draining soil and partial to full sun exposure. Yaupon Holly can tolerate a range of soil types, but prefers slightly acidic to neutral soil. Plant in the spring or fall, giving the shrub time to establish its roots before extreme weather. 2. Watering. It is drought-tolerant once established. It's important to water newly planted shrubs regularly to help them establish a strong root system. Water deeply and less frequently rather than shallow, frequent watering. 3. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plant. Mulch helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. 4. Pruning. Yaupon Holly can be pruned to maintain its shape and size. Pruning can be done in late winter or early spring before new growth begins. Remove any dead or diseased branches and thin out the interior to improve air circulation. 5. Fertilizing. Yaupon Holly generally doesn't require heavy fertilization, but you can apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in the spring to promote healthy growth. 6. Pests and diseases. Yaupon Holly is relatively pest-resistant, but it can occasionally be affected by scale insects or aphids. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of infestation. Watch for symptoms of leaf spot diseases and treat with appropriate fungicides if necessary. 7. Propagation. Yaupon Holly can be propagated from seeds, cuttings, or by division. Seeds need to be stratified before planting. Softwood cuttings taken in early summer have a good chance of rooting. 8. Landscape uses. Yaupon Holly can be used as a hedge, screen, border, or standalone specimen plant. It responds well to pruning, so it can be shaped into formal hedges or left to grow naturally for a more informal look. The bright red berries produced by female plants add ornamental value and attract wildlife. 9. Berry production. Female Yaupon Holly plants produce bright red berries that are attractive, but can be toxic if ingested. If you have children or pets, consider planting male cultivars that don't produce berries. 10. Winter care. While Yaupon Holly is generally hardy, providing a layer of mulch around the base can help protect the root system from extreme cold temperatures. Remember that specific care instructions can vary based on your location, climate, and the specific cultivar of Yaupon Holly you're growing. Observing your plants and adjusting care practices accordingly will help ensure their health and vitality.